This is my review of the YPSI 2 Peg Perego travel system. Rear facing car seat comes with 2 extra inserts, so as the baby grows you are able to remove certain pieces. It does have extra straps that I've already removed. This portion comes out as well. You'll just remove the seat belt through the bottom of it, and then that way you have extra space as your baby grows. On both sides of the car seat you are going to find one of these, and it's an extra safety latch that you insert. Hear a snap, and then you know it's safe. To tighten these safety latches that are on both sides, you're going to lift this flap here, and then you'll see that strap, and you're on this side of the safety latch. What you do is you take this handle and you pull it as tight as you can, and then you can see right here as I pull, it gets tighter. And you just want to make sure that the seat is in as tight as you can get it. And then you're going to take your seat belt and you're going to insert it through this portion. You have it in there tight, everything is straight. You just want to snap that safety handle back. Also, don't forget, you're going to pull this seat belt as far as you can until you hear those cranks. And then you want to make sure that you slowly release it because we want to lock that car seat. And I'm going to adjust this knob so you can see as the bubble starts to rotate. So right now we're pretty close to the 22 pounds, but I'm just going to continue to rotate this knob, and you're going to slowly see it rotate downwards towards the 22 pounds. And it'll just continue going as well, so it does adjust nicely. Once you have this adjusted to the appropriate weight that you want, you just make sure that you pull your handle all the way out until it hits the ground solid. You want to be able to adjust this bar to raise it or lower it. All you have to do is find the 2 knobs here on the side and press in at the same time, and then slowly raise the bar. To know if you have put this car seat in safely and it's latched, you just want to be able to set it in until you hear a slight snap. Okay, so there is a zipper portion that you'll pull from the opposite side all the way over, and then that way you can block the sun completely. In order to remove the baby, there is a latch on the back of this upper car seat, so it's right here, and you're gonna have to pull that at the same time that you lift the baby. You're gonna pinch that handle and keep it pinched, and then you're gonna raise the car seat out of the car. If you're using this car seat portion, you do have to face it backwards, and you're gonna make sure that these pieces on the side click into here until you hear a snap. What it'll start out with is already folded down. You're gonna take this latch here and you're gonna press it down, and you're gonna raise your handle all the way up until you hear it click. Down here you have storage. This is a locking mechanism, so right now it is locked, but if you kick it up, it'll be unlocked. So whenever you want to remove it, you'll find switch 1 and you'll flip it up and leave it there, but then you'll come around, you'll hold this bar tight, and then you'll lift flap 2 and raise the car seat at the same time. It comes with an extra seat, so as your child gets older, you can use this. There are 2 flaps on the back right here. You're going to insert those into the latches on both sides until you hear a click. You just lift up the seat bar across the front. So what you can do is press this button here to lift it up to insert your child, and you can also use it on the opposite side as well. And then on here you can see there are multiple ways to adjust the straps. They can go up as the kid gets taller. To adjust this seat, you can pull this flap here. Let's say your kid is sleeping, and you can lay it all the way back. And then that way you can see how it's folded out. Raise up, you just pull that flap again and raise it up. Child to face you, what you're going to do are there are 2 bars here, 1 on each side. Pinch both of those bars in, remove the seat, and then just attach it onto those latches again until you hear those snaps. If you want to adjust this bar handle to a different level, there are knobs here on the side. Pinch those knobs and just adjust and pull it outward. If you want to readjust it again, just pull those knobs and press it right back in. To protect your kid from the sun, you can pull this latch forward, but if you want more coverage, there's a zipper on the side. You just pull that zipper and pull it down. To fold this down, this seat here does have to be the opposite outward direction. Lift both of those latches at the same time and fold your seat all the way down. Let's say you're done with this for the day. There are 2 latches on the back here. They're very tiny. There's 1 on each side. Pinch this arrow here, pull that back, and pinch this bar. Then you're going to raise this bar forward.
That's my review of the YPSI travel system.